Hi, sir.
Mga ito.
Teka, this is number 97.
67 po.
Sorry, 67. Tapos, buksan ko lang yung book. This is 67. Okay. So increase clause method to get the area. Sige, yung next, patingin. And then use a beta, and then gamma, and then delta. Okay. I think yung sige. Yung next item naman. Yeah, so nagawa, check ko lang ha. So nagawa mo hanggang 69. This is chapter 3, no? So let's open chapter 3. And number 21. displacement. Okay, so add yung x components, we should get try intindihin yung problem statement. Negative 140, negative 20. Okay, negative 20. So solve for bx. Check ko rin yung numerical value.
Parati siya gumalaw. Kailangan gumagalaw siya straight. Pero pag mainit, ganun. Bakit? Why? Bakit?
And then bakit 188 degrees clockwise?
Ito bang angle?
Saan mo mini-measure yung angle na yan? Di ba may basis, may ginagamit ng basis line?
From the x-axis po.
From the positive x-axis.
So, clockwise.
So kung 188 degrees counterclockwise, kasi ang pag positive, it's always measured counterclockwise. Pagka negative, clockwise. So paano ba hinahanap yung angle na yan? Alam mo yung components, negative 140, negative 20. Naalala mo yung sa additional math, that is the same problem.
180.
Na mag-drawing ka ng triangle, hanapin mo yung representative angle, and then from there, you'll get the angle measured from the x-axis or from clockwise or dito, pwede ring the angle measured counterclockwise or clockwise.
From the positive
From the
x-axis.
Hindi, sige. Meron ka bang may mag-drawing, tanggalin mo yung drawing ka ng i-drawing mo yung XY plane, tapos nasaan yung negative 140, negative 20. So separate drawing.
Separate.
Compare with this one.
So negative 140 yung x, at saka approximate, at saka negative 20 yung y. So approximate t nasaan? Teka, negative 140 yung x, oh. So mas mahaba dapat yung x kaysa y.
Negative 140 angle. Negative 140 x.
Okay, ngayon, ano yung angle measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis? So yan yung kailangan. Or pwede ring angle measured clockwise from the positive x-axis. So two possible values. Yan lang yung dalawang possible values na allowed.
So,
Okay, ngayon, mag-drawing ka ng triangle dun sa, so di ba, pag yung ang technique sa additional math, draw a triangle na, okay, and then define the angle alpha with respect to the, so
opposite over
tapos gamitin mo yung positive signs lang para makuha yung positive value na yan.
tangent. Yes, okay. So, negative.
Wait, tangent or inverse tangent? Actually, sa mga ganyang problems, safe ka lang, ang safe na hanapin yung angle, yung mga alpha lang eh. Okay, so if that's 8.1, ano yung positive angle na theta?
Counterclockwise.
Okay, ngayon ano na may clockwise angle? Paano mo makukuha dyan sa figure?
360 minus this one. Yes.
Teka. I think so ang lahat ng angles natin ay measured counterclockwise, no? So kaya ang sagot mo diyan negative 172 degrees. Yun yung standard na ano eh. Angles are always measured counterclockwise. Okay na? Kung paano yung ano?
Is there a practical reason bakit counterclockwise and not clockwise?
I think wala. It's there kasi para nagkakaintindihan yung mga tao. Sige, meron. It's a convention so that people will understand each other.
Opo.
Pero yung for example, I think ang kasi niyan ay or I think yung origin din kasi niyan, may isang convention na na-stuck tayo na counterclockwise is yung gagamitin natin. And then everyone just adopted that. Parang handedness din na wala namang really good reason para maging right-handed yung molecules yung mga molecules natin, di ba? Or at least yung genetic na material natin. Pero yun yung nag-multiply eh. Okay, ano yung next? In the positive direction of the y-axis. If magnitude equal to that of C. Okay. Ganito. Ano yung components nung vector C? Tapos, wag mong gamitin yung label na C para dun sa resultant. Kasi hindi na yan C eh. Use a different. So, ano dapat yung vector na yan? So, tawagin mong vector C prime. Ngayon, C prime has what components? So, vector C is equal to 3i hat plus 4j hat. C prime is equal to ano?
Ano pang tawag doon? Hat mo?
Oo. So, I hat is yung unit vector at saka j hat. So, if C is C, so, I think C prime naman.
Inisip ko po kasi
Like ito, ano yung length ng C prime?
Let ng C prime. Let ng C. Okay, 5.
So, 5 din. And ano direction? Kaya, huwag mong i-equate yung magnitude sa may direction. C prime is 5 na magnitude. So, C prime is 5 times j hat. Ngayon, yung B, unknown. So, tawagin mong bx I hat plus... Hindi, wala pa tayong... We can't say anything about B yet. Huwag muna. So, at muna na B. So, let B equal to the vector B. Vector B lang, hindi magnitude. Let vector B be equal to bx B sub x I hat plus B sub y j hat. Ngayon, paano related yung B, C, at saka C prime?
B is the base of an isosceles triangle.
Hindi. In vector addition. So, C plus B.
BY, J.
Hindi. Vector lang. Tingnan mo yung vector na C. Vector C plus vector B. Yung tail-to-tail method.
Vector C plus
Is
vector B is equal to vector C prime.
Okay, so write it down. C prime is B plus C. Ngayon, from there and from yung kanina, tapos i-substitute mo yung bxi hat. Ayun, or sige, pwedeng kahit na solve for B na lang. Pwede naman, it will work.
Okay.
So, teka, nag-subtract ka on both sides ng 3i plus 4j, di ba?
Yes. So, 5, negative 3. So, that makes sense. Minus 3 tapos ang plus 1. Okay.
Okay.
That's it.
So from there, any magnitude. Okay, square root of 10. Or, kung magla-round off tayo, kasi 2 sig fig lang, di ba? So, 3.2.
Purely
Ayan.
purely analytical calculation without use of any geometric theorems or knowledge.
Oo. Kaya nga na-introduce yan eh. Kasi mas simpleng gamitin yan for many problems eh.
Amo.
Yung geometry is converted into algebra. Okay, next question. So, okay na tayo dyan, no? So, similar method.
Wait. So, the OASS A is dried up.
Okay. Degrees south of east, and then walks 8 kilometers due north.
When it says po 8 kilometers due north, is understood that it's literally parallel to the y-axis.
Okay. So we're going to use component notation. So aling choice of origin mo dyan?
Maybe A na lang, just for convenience.
Okay, so if A is the origin, ano yung vectors na para sa displacement, para makuha yung displacement ng camel?
Ito mo.
So 24, ano yung components niyan?
Dito. Thompson yun na lang. Na-calculate.
Tapos ano yung components ng 8 kilometer displacement?
Okay. So, 24 kilometers. Yung components nun. 15. So, so 15 degrees. Okay.
So I think 24 cosine of 15, 24 sine of 15.
Cosine is just is equal to this one.
So in terms of those, ano dapat yung vector, yung first displacement?
So what if we call this
D1. Kasi you said D2. And then, yeah. Okay, before I proceed, tama ba yung binibigay sa yung directions?
Okay. 24 kilometers direction, 15 south of east. Okay, yes. And then walks 8 kilometers due north.
Before that, tingnan mo yung displacement 1. Ano direction yan? Parehong positive yung components.
So, Okay. So 24 cosine 15. Mga 23. That should be x, yes. Correct. But then the sine 15 would go upwards instead. That would be here.
which is not what we want, diba? So if you want it to go downwards, ayan. Okay, ano yung d sub 2 naman?
That's it. 8 kilometers upward. So 8.
Okay. Ayun, what are we looking for?
The D3 which will complete. Okay. So if we add this, what will the next added be for it to be 25 kilometers to 25G? 25I. So
So, ano yung equation muna? So, 25i equals d1 plus d2 plus d3. And then isolate yung unknown.
that's it. So D3 equal to
Hindi, sulat mo na para kita. So, 25i hat minus
there must be a simplification for this.
Hindi, wag mo muna i-simplify para lang kita na sinubstitute mo. Okay, close parenthesis. And then minus. Okay, and then simplify.
Oh.
Kaya, check ko yung yung algebra. So we get 25 minus 24 cosine 15, 1.8177, and 24 sine 15 minus 8. Okay. So, how far is Camel from Oasis Beach? Sige. So, 2.5 kilometers. Ngayon, before I continue there, yung question lang, as measured as, ano naman yung angle? Let's say yung origin natin ay yung Oasis B.
Oasis B.
So,
A.
ngayon, so ang tanong ay, based on, if we use that as an origin, so someone at Oasis B will see the camel at what angle?
At that angle, this one. Okay,
So,
so
anong angle na yan?
calculate that.
Paano mo makukuha yan?
Wait a minute. How far is the camel? Find this.
Nakuha na natin yung how far is the camel from Oasis B. Diba? Yan yun eh.
So add D1, D2.
Sorry.
You get that?
Teka. Sorry. Tingin muna. Nakuha natin ay D3. D1. So D1, D2, and then, okay, D3. So, yung D3, that's the vector from the camel to Oasis B. So, tama. Yan yung distance from the camel to Oasis B. Ngayon tanong, as measured from Oasis B, at what angle is the camel?
So D3. Then this is the where is it?
Okay, so D3 is a vector pointing from the camel to the Oasis. Ano yung vector pointing from the Oasis to the camel?
The other way around.
So how do you get that from D3?
That's the when you completely negate D3 po.
So ano yung displacement from, so ang tanong ay, D3 is the displacement from the camel to Oasis B. What is the displacement from Oasis B to the camel?
Negative. Okay, so that's
Negative.
negative.
Hindi, negative ng vector lang. Walang absolute value sign yan. Kasi magnitude yung absolute value eh. So negative D3 is okay, ngayon, as measured by Oasis B, in what direction is the camel? So, pwede kang gumamit ng north of east, ganyan.
South of west. So, how did I calculate the single again?
So, draw a triangle.
So, it is there, 8 kilometers. Pero kung masasabi, no. Where is the camel here?
So, according to Oasis B, the camel is in what direction? So, yan yung vector from Oasis B.
What's the camel? What's the angle though? The question. Oh my gosh! I am so ignorant. I did not realize the vector notation itself is the coordinates basically if B was the origin. Oh my gosh. Yes, so this one is the 1.78J and it's the negative 1.81. Oh, yes. So good. So then theta is equal to, let's say, cosine of what's this one? Negative 1.8.1 over the entire thing, which is negative 2.5.
Teka.
Oh, wait a minute. Is this the length?
How can you use tangent inverse there?
Tangent inverse.
Naalala mo yung mga yung gagamit tayo ng angle alpha?
8 over 1.81. I think that works.
Okay, so makukuha natin yung anong tawag doon, yung reference angle.
78 over 1.81. The reference angle is where? This is straight. Oh, I hope it's straight. Okay, so this one, we will get this. What? No. That's it. Theta. I think that's theta. Yes, it is theta. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So it is 20.
1.78 divided by 1.81, no?
Opo.
Actually, dapat 1.79 yun kasi, di ba, pag nag-round off.
79. 79. Oh, yes. So the candle is 44.52 degrees south of west.
Okay. S of W para mas klaro. Ayan.
Completely, GNPS na po yung yung camel ko ba?
Sige. Ano yan, sinupplement ko lang kasi useful na matutunan mo yan eh. Okay. So, ito ngayon yung question.
The easy question.
So,
of course. So this is basically algebra. D1.
Tapos 27 yan, no? Yung stylus ko.
Is there confusion po between the I and J for yung yung imaginary units with these ones? Or wala po?
Pag vector on a plane, may correspondence between I and J at saka yung imaginary, yung complex numbers.
They have their own po.
Kaya yun kapag on the complex plane, yung pag vectors on a plane, kaya mong i-express in terms of complex numbers. Pero ang lang kasi, it doesn't generalize to higher dimensions, kaya hindi natin ginagawa.
No po. So this one is something.
So twice D1 is so 4.
That's it. Yay. Okay. So
Teka, check ko lang yung sa letter B. So, pag nag-subtract tayo, 5D3 minus 3D3 is twice D2.
Sorry po, kailangan mag-sign in na nasira po yung isang computer eh. Nabagsak.
First in requisite in batch.
Okay, so tingnan na natin. Oh, wait. Before you do that, ito yung tingnan natin sa yung D2. So twice pakisulat, twice D2 is equal to 5 minus 3, so 2 D3. Tama naman, ano?
I just realized it's exactly the same.
So, para mag-cancel out yung D1. Diba? So, D2 is equal to D3.
Outsmarted.
Okay, punta tayo sa next. So, 27. Copyhin ko lang.
Backyard ants. What
29.
kung nilagyan po kayo yung yung ant yung lagyan na po na parang something to mold the entire ant nest.
Di ba may mga videos na gano'n, di ba? Yung liquid aluminum. Liquid aluminum ba?
Di ba po mamamatay yung mga ants? Kumawa. Alright.
O, pati yung ants. Pero, kita mo yung itsura ng nest.
Opo. So I will today in this video, we will be proving that vector analysis is not required for the calculation of some of the problems.
Kaya, copyhin ko lang yun, ano? Teka, new, ano na nga. You can tell the way to the nest.
Wait a minute. It's really not that simple after all. But anyway, yung there must be a simpler way to say this. Yung H is parallel to V that can be proven easily.
Ngayon, ganito. This is a problem in vector analysis, which means you can write down yung mga destinations as vector sums.
No! When I cannot use geometry anymore.
Kasi ang haba eh, di ba? What if 1,000 nodes yan?
Oh, 1,000 na ganun. How would you calculate? Please calculate the magnitude and the angle relative to the positive direction of the x-axis for 1,000 of the way paths of the ants. A magnitude and angle. Okay.
Tingnan,
Let's say.
ano yung sabi dito? So, yung sa problem, enters at point B, tapos 60 degrees between the branches. Tapos, ano yung tinatanong? Of an answer placement from the nest if the ant enters the trail at point A. Tapos, nasaan yung nest?
I think it's assumed that the thing before W po, the place where it came from is the nest. I don't know mo. But that's just my theory. Kasi wala naman, nothing is specified.
Okay, so let's choose the origin at yung dun sa
Nest.
W. Tapos, magnitude and angle. Tapos ina-assume natin same length yung points of bifurcation.
2 centimeters sa tabo.
Mhm. So paano na i-express yan? Yung suggestion ko dito, start from choose the origin to be the nest. Tapos nun, express mo as a vector sum yung papunta sa A at papunta sa B.
O nga po.
And then reverse engineer. So W is so yung W, yung papunta sa first bifurcation, ano yung vector na yan?
Basta, ito mo.
Actually, alabuan ako dun sa diagram niya, no? Nasaan yung nest?
I think the next nga po dito.
Teka, tingnan ko yung...
Yata nag-load sa end.
Binabasa ko pa yung, binabasa ko pa yung problem.
Yata nag-load sa end.
Ay, hindi pa.
Nakasunod sa test. Recording ba? Recording, yes. Okay.
So, nakikita niyo na po yan, yung diet.
Nakasulat, may nakasunod na po na nest sa anak po ng W.
Okay, sige.
So this one is what in the world? Okay, so 60 and then
Ay, so, sorry. I think mas simple yung... Ang tanong ay, what are the magnitude and angle of an ant's displacement from the nest if the ant enters at point A, and then if it enters at point B?
I think it should be the other way around.
Oo nga, mas simple yung start at A, no? So if you start at A, yung first segment is and then we have to indicate yung angles. So bifurcates angle. So 60, so 30. 180 minus 30. Yeah. 180. So 180 minus 30.
Nagalaw.
Is 150. Kaya, i-label na, gawin natin yung label na
Dumudugo po yung ilong ko po.
ano?
Dumudugo po yung ilong ko po. Guna mo.
Hindi ko mas simple yung yung work backwards from A eh. Kasi tapos ang mangyayari, if we work backwards from A, makukuha natin yung mga angles.
From A. So H1 A
So,
L
the first vector from A to the first intersection is negative 2 j hat. Kaya 120 ba yan? Tingnan mo yung angle between, di ba yung bifurcation is 60?
Abo.
Yeah, 60 ba? Hindi, 60.
So, ito po.
Nasa, okay, if that's 60,
wait a minute. Parang hindi dapat.
Oo nga. 360. So, anong angle yan? It's not 120. Okay. So, bulay muna natin yan.
Baliktad.
So, yung first displacement from A is negative 2 j hat. Tapos, huwag mo na i-equate sa dA. Kasi, ang makukuha natin negative dA. Tapos, ano yung I naman is
times 1.5. Okay, 120 ba? Sige.
bakit yan? Does it give you the right components?
Cosine 150.
Negative yan, di ba?
Mahirap po kasi nakabaliktad eh. So, ito yung origin.
Kung 150, ganito, kung 150 yan, ano yung supplement niyan?
Ito po, 30.
30. So, kung alam mong 30 yan, ano ngayon yung next displacement?
So, this one is 30, 60. So, dapat, yan.
So, yung y component is cosine 30. And then you have to choose the sign. Okay. Hey, I'll have to stop here kasi meron ako kasunod na kailangan gawin eh. Pero kita mo yung strategy na isa-isahin mo yan and until you get to the nest.
Nanilibang ko po kasi bigla na for some reason I can no longer use geometry. Crazy.
May jump pa rin naman yan eh kasi components of x and y eh. And you know,
analytical geometry.
So mas algebra tong geometry nito kaysa sa yung high school geom eh. Okay, so pakita mo sa yung solution nito next meeting. So yung first half we'll do more problems from here. And then kukuha rin ako ng problems from the previous chapter. Yung mga assorted. pero add lang. Okay?
Opo.
So, see you again on Sunday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po. Thank you po.
Thank you po.